Hello people. We are gonna go to the Garden of the Morning Calm in Gapyeong. We're gonna go straight there. Last time we went to Gapyeong, we went straight to Nami Island and then the Garden of the Morning Calm. But this time we're gonna do only the Garden of the Morning Calm. So if you're gonna go to that area and then you want to just go straight to the garden, or probably want to go to the garden first. Probably you want to go to the garden first and then to Nami Island after. Then this is the route that you can take. So we're gonna take the subway. There are different options to get there. I'm just gonna show you some of those options. But we're gonna take the train up to Cheongpyeong, which is the station that is closest to the garden. So let's do it. Alright, we're gonna go grab some food first before we go. Okay, na? We didn't really have breakfast. No, actually we just had a little bit of breakfast, but then we're gonna do, it's already 1 o'clock, or is it 1:30? I think it's, 12:30, so we're gonna have lunch at the site. There are a couple of restaurants there, so we're gonna check it out.
Hindi man ako nakabili ng croquette sa street.
So we're at the green line right now, and then we have to transfer to the ITX line. But we're not gonna ride the ITX, we're just gonna ride the regular subway. We're going to the Garden of the Morning Calm, so that's the closest station to that is Cheongpyeong station. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna do a transfer first. From here, there's 27 stations, and it's gonna take us around an hour and a half for the whole trip from where we are. We're in the Myeongdong area, Ujiro Samga, which is pretty much near a hotel. If you're coming from Myeongdong, you can either take the Myeongdong subway, or you can take Ujiro Ilga, Ujiro 1. From here, we are gonna go to Wangshimni. So the initial charge is 1,250, but I think up to Cheongpyeong it's gonna take around 2,000 something won. So I checked the app and you're gonna see it right here. It's 2,050. That's the approximate from here where we are to Cheongpyeong station. So it's really the fare is really cheap. It's very affordable. All right, our train is here. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. It's gonna take us a few stations, so I made sure Kim is seated comfortably. Pregnant. Do a transfer. This is the color, so we're gonna do it there. So, actually here, just follow the colors. There you go. Follow the colors. Colors. Go here. We were supposed to go here the other day. Actually, like 4 days ago. 4 or 5 days ago. But by 1 p.m. it was already like 6 degrees. So we bailed, basically. It's so cold. Right now I'm gonna check the weather. So right now it's very bearable at 16 degrees. So we're here. We're gonna go to to Cheongpyeong station. So that's that way. Right away for there you go. Hey, that's a KTX. ITX train, very fast. So fast. Only one more transfer. No, after this, one more transfer, and that's gonna be the last line. Alright, train is here. This is like a scene from Train to Busan.
The station number is 120.
Transfer there. So we're gonna do Gyeongchun line over there. Ah? Yeah. And then we tuloy-tuloy na tayo.
Like, dire-diretso, ilang stations?
Maybe 7, 8. Alright, so you can actually ride the KTX or just transfer to the Gyeongchun line from here. It's not a lot of people, so cool. We're gonna go to the Hwajeongsil first. So we're gonna go to here. No, we're gonna go here. Let's see. We're gonna go here. There's quite a few people here. It's taking a while. We're at Sambong. We're gonna go to Cheongpyeong. Oh, no one's inside. Pero pupuntahan lang kayo ito after. Malayo. Alright, look for a chair. Hopefully there is. So it's a long trip. It's 40 minutes, 45 minutes. We are 3 stations away. Transfer back. To hurry. 15 minutes. Can you wait for these? We're here. I'm not sure though if we were supposed to exit there or here. Alright, so we took a wrong turn. We should have exited the exit 2. 2? Let's go. We need to go around. Dapat sa kabila tayo exit. So we have to go around so far. So make sure you exit 2 next time. Reminder Carlo, exit 2. 10 minutes. 3:10 says. Hopefully it doesn't leave right away. Because if not, we need to take a taxi. There's the tour bus. There it is. Morning, come. Other side. 감사합니다. Alright, so I have to cross the other side. Here. So... oh, there it is. We have to go. It's already there. That's the bus. Morning, come.
저기 가는 버스 여기서 타면 돼요?
늑디마니까.
환승입니다.
I actually didn't see. We're not in the tour bus. We're in the regular bus. It's good weather. Not too hot. So I think we boarded bus 31-7. This is actually, I think, a good way to save up if you're going to go to the garden, just the garden. Because there is an unlimited tour bus, which is the Gapyeong tour bus. And this is not what we rode. The garden in the morning calm is actually in the middle of a mountain or mountains, so it's gonna be colder than Seoul. So just make sure to get more layers on you, or stay warmer with your clothes and all that.
안녕하세요.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Nagtap ka? 10-3.
May 10-3 pa ako.
I'm gonna check the... Okay, so this is a city bus timetable. Okay, from Myeongdong to Cheongpyeong station, it's actually 8 o'clock, the last one. So there's a 6:10, but at least there's this one. This is too late though. I don't know if we can make the 6:10. Okay guys, we're here. Not so much people right now. Okay, it's good. Weather is actually air condition is probably colder than here.
Where are you from?
Philippines?
Philippines. Thank you.
Light show 5:30,
5 p.m. I'm 5 p.m.
5 p.m. It's good news. Alright. 7:5. Ma'am. Alright. Okay. We're gonna cross the bridge. This is the garden. It's quite bare. There are pine trees though, which is cool. So this is how the garden looks like winter time, daytime. Not something that you would normally want to experience because it's pretty much bare. There are no leaves, only for pine trees. Okay, we're gonna have lunch here. Oopsie. We're gonna go downstairs because where is that place? Here. There's a bakery downstairs. Hopefully there's something like pizza or something like that. Yes. Which actually looks nicer here. Oh my gosh, there you go. Ooh. 저기요.
Here I want to go.
Upstairs. Sure pudding. You like it? Pizza. We got this bread last time too. And that's it, people. We are now here at the Garden of the Morning Calm. If you want to see how it looks like during springtime, I haven't seen this during springtime. If you want to see how the garden looks like during fall, then just check out this video. And we're gonna feature another video that shows the lighting show if you're interested in that. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, for more awesome travel tips and all that, and just having some fun. See you soon.